Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to change the machine info in Oracle Linux 8 operating system. So let me open the terminal, login as a root user, issue hostname ctl command. So here you can see deployment, location, chassis, icon name, right? So these types of information are displayed or written in one single file called machine info file. So that machine info file is available under /etc. So this is the file. Okay, so I have opened that file. Sorry, I have displayed that file. These are the entries. You can see location, deployment, chassis, and icon name. Okay, let me edit this /etc/machine info. So make sure that you are logging as a root user. Only root user is having the permission to edit the machine info file because it is under /etc. Yes, let me edit using Vim editor. So I am going to change some entries here. So I am going to change the location. And next I am going to change the deployment also. So I am changing the deployment box, that is I am putting back as a development box. So chassis also I am changing to desktop. Save the changes. Okay. So these are the changes I have made in machine info. Now let me issue the hostname ctl command. See here, it is reflected. Whatever I changed in machine info, those entries are changed while executing hostname ctl command also. Next I am giving the pretty hostname, new pretty hostname. Okay, it's a pretty hostname. Okay, you can see the pretty hostname is displayed after issuing hostname ctl command. Let me check the machine info also. Yes, you can see that pretty hostname also got displayed here in machine info file. So machine info file is nothing but it's a metadata. Those data are provided by the administrator who uses this computer. So you can fetch the details using this machine info file.